Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are once again going to run this pocket option robot Alpha Master in the Christmas time. I will just let it run for like 10 minutes because that's how much time I have time today to make these type of things, because I'm also going to come with a Forex video today. So you can download this robot also, just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video and you can get started with this robot also today. Okay, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, well, put them below the video. But for now, let's start up Alpha Master. And there we have it, a fast, nice trade with the Alpha Master. And let's see how much money we did win this time around. We made $160. I'm super happy with that. So with that, have an amazing day and download the robot below the video.